Hello everybody, it's Mr. Great Builder. Yes, all the way. Except there won't be white water.
I'm game.
Okay, but we're gonna try to catch the little river I saw earlier. There's a little bit right there. Not as much as...
Hi,
Hello.
it's Daniel Kang here. Subscribe.
I'll put a link in the description.
What?
I'll put a link in the description.
Okay.
Check out Daniel's channel.
I got a couple cool stuff.
He's really good at editing.
Damn right.
Better than me because he actually puts effort into it.
I'm still in training though, so don't judge me if I suck.
Okay, and the river I think is right around this bend right here. Oh no.
The trees are covering.
Oh, here it is. Here it
Holy
is.
balls.
Yes, I caught it on tape.
You could basically do the whitewater rapids there.
Wrong side, Bill. Okay guys, so that's all I wanted to show you. Thank you for watching. I'll put a link in the description for Mr. Daniel King.
Yep.
And I will see you guys next time. Keep on building.